Design PDA for language L, where it is a raised to I, b raised to j, c raised to k. Condition is I, j and k are greater than or equal to 1 and I plus j is equal to k. That is, number of a's plus number of b's are equal to number of c's. So idea here will be, we'll push all a's and b's onto the stack and we'll match c's, all the c's with the b's and a's, and if this string is empty and stack is z0, it will go to the accept hold. So to design this PDA, we'll start with the state Q0. So in Q0, the input which is possible is definitely A. So if the input is A and stack is Z0, which is initial configuration, A will be pushed onto the stack. Similarly, if stack is A and input is A will be pushed onto the stack. But if the input is B and stack is A, then B will also be pushed onto the stack, but it will go to the state Q1. In state Q1, if the input is B and the stack is also B, it will be pushed onto the stack and it will keep pushing all B's here with the first C as input and B as stack. It will be discarded and it will go to the state Q2. In state Q2, for every C and B on the stack, it will keep discarding. Similarly, for every C as input and A as the stack, it will keep discarding. When the input is over, that is null, and stack is Z0, it will go to the state Q3, which is the accept halt. So this is the design. Now we'll write down the moves. In state Q0, if the input is A and stack is Z0, A will be pushed onto the stack. Then in state Q0, if the input is A and stack is A will be pushed onto the stack. Then in state Q0, if the input is B and stack is A, this will be changing the state to Q1 and the input B will be pushed onto the stack. Now in state Q1, if the input is B and stack is also B, it will keep pushing B's onto the stack. Then in state Q1, if the input is C and stack is B, it will go to the state Q2 and it will discard B for the C, which is as input. So in state Q2, if C comes in and B is the stack, it will keep discarding the input C for every B. Similarly, if the input is C and the stack is A, it will keep discarding all such input symbols C. When the input is over and stack is Z0, it will go to the accept halt Q3 Z0. So this will be the design of PDA for the language A raised to I, B raised to J, C raised to K. Now we'll see simulation for one example. Q0, A, B, B, C, C and C, and this is Z0. So here it is Q0, A, Z0. By move number 1, it will go to the state Q0 where it is B, B, C, C, A, Z0. Then by move number Q0, B, A, it will take the move number 3 and it will go to the state Q1. It will go to the state Q1. It will be B and triple C. B will be pushed onto the stack. Now it is Q1, B, B, which is move number 4. By move number 4, it will be triple C and it will be B, B, A, Z0. Now by move number Q1, C, B. Q1, C, B is 5. It will go to the state Q2 and the stack B will be discarded. For the input C which is coming in, it will be BA Z0. Now here it is Q2CB. Q2CB is move number 6. According to move number 6, it will be Q2CA Z0. Now it is Q2CA, which is move number 7. It will go to the state Q2. Input will be discarded and stack will also be discarded. Q2 null Z0 is move number 8. It will go to the state Q3 and here this is accepted. So this is working of PDA for the input string where number of A's plus number of B's are equal to number of C's.